Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika Rawat, and 11 other staff died after the Mi-17 V5 they were flying on crashed minutes before reaching the destination in Wellington, where General Rawat was scheduled to give a lecture. Wing Commander Prithvi Singh Chauhan was flying the chopper. The Mi-17 V5 helicopters are extremely reliable and are the workhorses of the Air Force, several former army officers have said since yesterday's crash. Defense experts have been perplexed over the sudden crash of the chopper, saying the flight from Sulur to Wellington did not involve much complications. The Mi-17 V5 is the latest twin-engine iteration of the Russian-made Mi-17 transport helicopter and is used regularly for high-altitude operations. One of the most advanced military transports that can be used in any topography and weather, it is one of the most powerful choppers used by Indian Defence Forces. India owns a fairly large fleet of these helicopters that were purchased and inducted between 2008 and 2018. According to information available on the website of Rosoboron Export, the Russian arms supplier, the chopper is designed to carry personnel, cargo and equipment inside the cargo cabin or on an external sling, drop tactical air assault forces and reconnaissance and sabotage groups, destroy ground targets and carry the wounded. Let us understand in more detail about the carrier and its presence in the Indian Air Force's fleet. Mi-17 V5 is an advanced transport helicopter which is with the Indian Air Force since 2012. Mi-17 V5 is manufactured by Russian helicopter subsidiary Kazan. Along with the weather radar, these choppers are equipped with the latest general of night vision device. In 2008, India signed a deal with Russia to induct 80 Mi-17 V5 medium-lift helicopters for strengthening its chopper fleet for humanitarian and disaster relief missions and transport operations. Later, the contract was expanded for the delivery of 151 Mi-17 V5 helicopters. The first batch of these helicopters came to India in September 2011. The Mi-17 V5 helicopter can achieve a maximum speed of 250 km per hour according to the company. The Mi-17 V5 helicopter is fitted with advanced TV3-117VM engines. Mi-17 V5 is the most technically advanced helicopter of Mi-817 family of helicopters and incorporates the best engineering solutions from previous generations of helicopters. The Mi-17 V5 helicopter has the new PKV-8 autopilot system and a KNEI-8 avionics suite. It can carry a maximum takeoff weight of 13,000 kg and a maximum payload weight of 4,000 kg. IAF's Mi-17 V5 chopper has been involved in quite a few incidents during the last decade. The recent crash land in Arunachal Pradesh November 8 involved this chopper. This is the latest incident of involving this chopper. On June 15, 2013, one of these helicopters crashed while returning from Kedarnath on a rescue mission during the Uttarakhand floods. A total of 8 people, including 5 crew members, were killed in this accident. After the accident that killed CDS Rawat and 11 others, the Indian Air Force has said that an inquiry has been ordered to ascertain the cause of the accident. According to defense sources, no system malfunctioning or snag was reported in the last 2-3 sorties of this particular helicopter, adding its history was clear and there had been no technical failure. As per IAF protocol, prior to any VIP flights, the aircraft undergoes a 3-stage mechanical check, following which access to the aircraft is sealed. The most likely reason for the crash could be foggy weather, which reduced visibility, defense experts have said. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut has raised question over the accident. How could such advanced chopper having 2 engines and carrying the topmost officer of the country crash like that? Mr. Raut has asked.
बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। देश का सर्वोच्च सेनापति सबसे अत्याधुनिक हेलीकॉप्टर में, सुरक्षित हेलीकॉप्टर में ट्रैवल कर रहा है। पावरफुल इंजन है, 2-2 इंजन वाला हेलीकॉप्टर है और उसमें हमारे सेनापति साहब मारे जाते हैं। मुझे लगता है हम बोलते हैं कि हमारे डिफेंस क्षेत्र का आधुनिकीकरण हो गया है, लेकिन हमारे सेनापति ऐसे हेलीकॉप्टर में मारे जाते हैं। लोगों के मन में कुछ शंकाएं हैं, क्या चल रहा है, क्या हुआ है। मुझे लगता है हमारी सरकार भी अब तक इस सदमे से बाहर नहीं आई होगी बिपिन रावत जी के मृत्यु के बाद। आज सदन में हम उनका निवेदन सुनेंगे, रक्षा मंत्री का, और बाद में सवाल पूछने की कोशिश करेंगे।
क्या शंकाएं हैं आपके जहन में?
नहीं, कैसे हो सकता है ऐसा? एक सबसे आधुनिक, अत्याधुनिक हेलीकॉप्टर से हमारे देश के सेनापति ट्रैवल करते हैं और उनकी मौत हो जाती है।